In today's tutorial, we'll be creating this cool elephant logo design from Sketch to Final Vector using guides. I started by creating a sketch on Procreate while using an elephant photo as a reference. The goal here is to make this as simple and geometric as possible. I will leave you a moment to take a screenshot of the sketch so that you can follow along with me. Start by placing the sketch on a canvas and center it. Going to the Layers panel, create a template for the sketch. Create 2 layers and name them Logo Design and Guides. Using the line tool, create guides for the right side of the logo. Once you have an angle created, it's important that you stay consistent with that angle. You can duplicate the line by clicking and dragging while holding down Option or Alt on your keyboard. You can do the same for the angle here. Alright, once completed the left side, select all and activate the Reflect tool. Option or Alt, click in the middle, select vertical and confirm by clicking on Copy. Now we can select all the guides, give it a blue color, dim the opacity to about 50%, and lock the guides layer. With the pen tool activated, which is P on your keyboard for the shortcut, draw the left side of the logo following the guidelines we created earlier. Next, just create the eye. Once that is completed, select all and copy it to the right using the Reflect tool once again. Alright, for the elephant trunk, create an ellipse while holding Shift on your keyboard. Make the circle fairly thick using the Stroke panel. It's important that the right side of the circle aligns with the middle line. To view the wireframes, press Command or Control plus Y on your keyboard. Play around with the thickness a little more until you're content with the size. With the Direct Selection tool, click the top middle anchor point and delete it. Select the stroke, head over to the Object menu at the top and select Outline Stroke. Now that it's become a shape, use the Eyedropper tool to match it with the line art we created. Using the pen tool once again, connect the 2 sides of the trunk and make sure you are touching the lines. Finally, we will combine everything together by selecting all, activating the Shape Builder tool, and click and drag to combine the shapes together. Select all once again, confirm the shapes by using the Shape Builder tool, and press Option or Alt on your keyboard on the eyes to make sure we have created holes. And that is how you can create an animal vector logo from Photo in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed this video and I would love to receive some